Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. I have been altering second-hand clothes for the past 30 years. I never make clothes from scratch, preferring to alter an existing garment to my liking. The goal of my channel is to show others how a few nips and tucks can make a garment more comfortable or wearable. I picked up this sateen-feel SABA top at my local Save the Children thrift shop for $3. I particularly love the fabric and stylish pattern. Also, I can never go past a Mandarin collar. Because I'm not very tall, the long wavy hemline didn't suit me, so I decided to make it shorter. This is a really simple, quick alteration that can be done in around half an hour. Hem alterations can be done on a sewing machine, hand sewn, or using hemming tape. First was to cut off the excess fabric around the bottom. Luckily, I was able to use the fluted panel that was part of the original top as a guide and just cut this off. Then I pressed and pinned the new double fold hem, and it was over to the sewing machine to finish it off. This fabric was easy to work with, and it would be a perfect alteration for new sewers to easily complete. And here it is finished. I think the shorter length is more contemporary. You've probably got a top in your wardrobe that you never wear because of an unflattering hemline. Hopefully this has inspired you to get sewing or ask a friend to help you out. Thanks for watching. I hope this simple tutorial has made you rethink the clothes in your wardrobe and, importantly, consider buying that next beautiful secondhand top you find while thrifting, because you know it can be transformed by simply adjusting the hemline. See you next time.